Financial management. Topic is cost of capital. Illustration number 1. The learning objective is to see the concept of tax shield. Now let's see the illustration. Here it is given, explain the concept of tax shield with the help of following information. अब जो information दे रखी है वो दो ऑप्शंस में दे रखी है. ऑप्शन 1 में कंपनी यूज कर रही है फुल इक्विटी कैपिटल और ऑप्शन 2 में company is using equity with debt capital. Now the earning before interest and tax will be the same in both the options, 100 rupees, 100 rupees. Interest will be deducted only in option 2 because of the debt और interest है 40 rupees का. ऑप्शन 1 में debt यूज नहीं हुआ है तो no interest. Profit before tax is coming in option 1 100, but in option 2 the profit before tax is 60. The tax rate इन्होंने दे रखा है, tax rate है 35%. So 100 rupees profit before tax से 35 rupees का tax deduct हो जाएगा. Profit after tax आ रहा है 65. And in this case 60 का 35% tax 21 rupees and the profit after tax is coming 39. Now in this illustration we have to understand the concept of tax shield. Tax shield का मतलब होता है tax को बचाना. If a company is paying interest, then by paying interest the company is trying to save the tax also. How to save the tax? This we can see with the example. In option 2 the company is paying 40 rupees interest, and because of this the tax liability is coming only 21 rupees. But in option 1, since the company is not paying any tax, the company will have to pay the 35 rupees of tax. इसका मतलब 40 rupees का interest pay करके company is able to save 14 rupees of taxes. डायरेक्टली अगर आपको कैलकुलेट करना है व्हाट इज द सेविंग ऑफ टैक्सेस, तो इसका फॉर्मूला है इंटरेस्ट इनटू रेट ऑफ टैक्स. ये जो आपने टैक्स सेव किया है 14 रुपीज बाय यूजिंग द डेट कैपिटल, यू कैन डायरेक्टली कैलकुलेट. जस्ट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इंटरेस्ट इनटू टैक्स रेट. 40 रुपीज इंटरेस्ट था इनटू 35%, दिस इज द टैक्स रेट, एंड यू विल गेट 14 rupees of tax shield. Let's take another example to fully understand the concept of tax shield. X Limited has taken a term loan at 15% interest. What is the cost of this loan to the company? That is the cost of debt पता करना है इसमें. Assume the tax rate is 40%. Now if we look at this question, the prima facie you will see that 15% is the cost of debt, but this is not true. Company is going to save the tax also, and because of that the cost of debt will be less than 15%. So 15% is basically pre-tax cost of debt. Now here we will find the tax shield first, how much the company is saving by paying the 15% interest. Interest into tax rate. Tax rate दे रखा है 40%, interest rate है 15%. 15 into 0.4, you will get 6% is the tax shield in this case. Now if you want to calculate the post-tax cost of debt, that is the actual cost of debt, you just have to deduct the cost of pre-tax minus tax shield. The cost of debt pre-tax was 15% और tax shield जो आप बचा रहे हैं वो 6%. तो actual cost of debt, that is the post-tax cost of debt, is only 9%. You have to remember while calculating the average cost of capital, the post-tax cost of debt be used and not the pre-tax cost of debt. इसका मतलब average cost of capital निकालने के लिए आपको 9% cost of debt लेना है and not 15% cost of debt.